A traditional stone fish smokehouse on a harbor quay. The roof completely gone. Front and side walls collapsed to knee height. The timber smoking racks rotted on the floor. The firebox blocked with fallen stone. The iron door twisted off its hinge. A worker cleared the firebox with their hands. The heat-blackened brick lining revealed inside. Centuries of smoke still in the stone. Then we started. Rotted racks and debris cleared, the original stone floor revealed. Collapsed walls rebuilt in matching coastal stone. Hydraulic lime mortar throughout. The firebox relined in fire brick. New green oak roof structure raised and slated. New multi-tier oak smoking racks built on wall brackets. 3 tiers from firebox to roof. The iron door sandblasted, restored, and rehung. Then oak wood chips loaded into the firebox, and the fire was lit. Smoke rose through the racks, curled from the ridge, and the first golden fish came out on a tray.